Hello my beautiful friends, it's me, Jennysrp, and I am back today, finally, to open another beauty box. Today we have Natural Wellness Box, and I'm very excited. It's the end of the week. It's been a really long February, and I am ready to relax, take a bath, and enjoy my weekend and get out of this winter funk. How about you? So let's just go ahead and open it up. There's the pamphlet. Yay! Here we go. So the pamphlet says Revitalise. Welcome to the Revitalise collection. Nice. I'm ready. Let's take a look. There's a Vegan Life. I think there was one of these in the TheVeganKind box. And they had the little vegan magazine in there. Yeah. So I think that's cool. That's nice. Sounds like everyone's on the same page right now, which is good. Ooh, good. We got a snack. Right on top. Ooh. Right on top we have Squirrel Sisters Peanut Caramel Bar. Yummy! I'm excited to try that. I won't try it right now, but I'll probably have it for like breakfast. Do you think it's appropriate breakfast bar? Natural protein bar with no added sugar, and it's gluten-free. That sounds awesome. Let me read more about that. Yeah, Squirrel Sisters Peanut Caramel Natural Protein Bar, a gluten-free, vegan, and good source of fiber and protein. And certified by SugarWise. I don't know what that is, but that sounds like something I should definitely check out. All right, and then right on top we also have this Cree Awaken Eye Cream. Well, I have tons of eye cream now, and to be honest, I don't really notice a difference when I use eye cream versus when I don't. I'm 35 years old, and I know that the area around the eye is more sensitive and it's thin skin. But now that I've been using face oils, I've generally just been using my face oil around my eyelid and my eye. I did start to have really dry eyelids before I used face oil. Let's just put some on our hand though and see how it feels. Can't go wrong with having too many eye creams. I can use them as hand creams. I know that might be blasphemous, but if I'm not using them as eye creams, because I never remember, maybe once a week I remember to use like an eye cream, even though like I don't even know what it does. There's no scent, which is perfect. That means there's not a lot of like bothering ingredients in there. Ooh, I'm so glad that has no scent and it's very smooth. I'm sorry I'm using it as a hand cream. I know that's not the intention, but it's very easy to spread. It's very moisturizing. And there is absolutely no scent, which I love because scent is obviously like such a personal thing, and there are so many scents that can bother different people depending on what's going on with them, so I really appreciate that. The Awaken Eye Cream retails at 22 pounds. It contains a plant-based bioactive ingredient to boost the skin's natural processes, plump and tighten the orbital area. Reduce the appearance of puffiness and fine lines. I do definitely get puffy under my eyes for the first half of the day, so it might actually help me out to use eye cream in the morning to wake up my face. It does take me a while. That's great. I love it. Next up, oh, we've got like this is like an event, this Vegan Life event. I'll have to read up more about that later. First, ooh, we got some Whittard hot chocolate. Whittard, I hope I'm saying it right. There was also hot chocolate in glossy box in the October box, and it was very good. And I think it was the same sort, oh no, it wasn't salted caramel, but it was a sort of similar flavor to that. So this is salted caramel, hot chocolate, a nice little extra snack. There doesn't say anything on the pamphlet, so that must have been like a nice little extra. Cozy. I'll make that with a mocha for sure. Next we have, ooh, a raspberry lemonade kombucha. I'm finally done with my SIBO treatment, which I will eventually make a video about on my other channel so I can have kombucha again, and I'm very excited because I was really into it before I started a SIBO treatment. So I will probably have that. Should I have it right now? Let's have it right now. It still feels cold because it was outside waiting for me. Ooh, that's good. I'm gonna pour it over some ice, I think, because I like it really cold. Ooh, I like the flavor a lot. Remedy Drinks Kombucha retails at $1.99. It's very affordable. Packed full of friendly bacteria. Brewed for 30 days using fermentation technique and handcrafted in small batches. Non-alcoholic, vegan, and fructose free. This is non-alcoholic, but I will also say kombucha does make a really good mixer for like gin or vodka if you're into, I wouldn't say healthier drinks, but it is a nice mixer for that kind of refreshing kind of spirit. Next we have something wrapped up. Face Cleanse It. Oil to lather face cleanser, grapeseed and rose. Lovely. It's a bit blown out there. Sorry about that. Phase Botanicals. F-A-I-S. Retails for £25, guys. We're racking it up already. Take off makeup and deep cleanse your face of dirt and I'm really tired, guys. This January is kicking my butt. Lather face with the cleanser, massage it into skin. That sounds absolutely perfect. I wonder if this is the kind of oil that you like just, massage into skin for hydration, then add water. So use the oil first to kind of cleanse, and then you add it to kind of get everything out. I really enjoyed the Bomb Bomb oil face cleanser that I got from my Lula box, and I used all of it. So this will be perfect, stepping up in line for that. See if we can smell the rose and grapeseed. Ooh, yes. That smells really nice. It's rose, but it's very light and lovely. It's a little too much like on my skin right now, okay. Ooh, but that's gonna be a perfect replacement for now for my Bomb Bomb oil cleanser that I've been using. Nice, I love it. What is this? Blend into smoothies, make into cakes, spice up curries, or make a face mask. What? Oh, so it's like a spice sachet? Interesting. That kombucha is making me burp. Okay, let's see. That's what it is, right? Latte sample. Cocoa, cinnamon, vanilla, and chili. A smooth healing chili chocolate drink can help rev your energy levels. Mawish food, metabolism booster superfood. Awesome! So I wonder if I add this to my coffee or if it has coffee already in it. There's not a lot of like, add 1 teaspoon to cup, add optional sweetener, 20 milliliters hot water, topped with steamed milk. So it must have coffee already in it. Excellent. We'll try that tomorrow. That sounds great. Cool. Oh, I see. So the Vegan Life envelope is actually a ticket to the event. How cool. Okay, got it. So it's a ticket for March 14th or 15th at Alexandra Place, London, which I have been to before. Cool. It's still kind of hard for me to travel into London. I live in Windsor, but I have a chronic illness. That makes it hard for me to actually go out and do things. But that would be a fun thing to check out. March, hopefully the sun will be out again, and then it will be a nice thing to go visit. All right, next we have, ooh, jasmine and neroli body oil, sweet almond, rice bran, and avocado. Apply to clean, damp skin. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna use this tonight. Like, I can't wait to take a bath and just like indulge my skin. Oh, that smells like something. Like, it brings up like a familiar smell. Ooh, how fun. Ooh, it's really lovely. Let me read a little about it. It's the jasmine. The jasmine smells like, I think we had jasmine flowers at my first house as a kid. It leaves the skin satiny, soft, non-greasy, and doesn't leave a sticky residue, blended with therapeutic essential oils of jasmine and neroli. Use after showering or bathing and apply to damp skin. Oh, yes. How much does that retail for? $13.50. The value of this box is always so good. I'll put the price of the box on the screen. I think it's 33 pounds, but the value of the contents is definitely well above 60 pounds. And I will add it up. I will make sure I don't lose the little card this time, and I will add it up and put it on the screen. We're not even done yet. What is this? Oh, it's a toothpaste. It's a fancy toothpaste though. It's not like Colgate that was in the glossy box, right? This retails for $18.50. Now I have bought some pricey toothpaste before, but this is $18.50 is definitely more than I've ever paid for a toothpaste, so that's interesting. Calming and relaxing, feeling minty fresh flavors. Splash of licorice, an instant moment of calmness. Wow. I do like licorice flavor, so I know there's a lot of people out there where it's like an iffy flavor. For me, I like it a lot, so I don't really want to put it in my mouth right now because I'm drinking the kombucha and it would probably really mess up the taste, but that's pretty. Let's look at the tube, right? Ooh. It looks expensive, doesn't it? Doesn't it look like a holiday that someone with money would go take? Fabulous! Ooh, I can smell the licorice just from the, oh, that's nice. I like that a lot. I love this box so much. I wish it came every week. Last item, I believe. Eat Your Greens Potion London Super Greens Food Supplement. Now, I'm not super keen on getting food supplements in beauty boxes because it's such an individual thing, right? Everyone needs different stuff. Okay, so let's see what's in it though. Spirulina, barley grass, wheatgrass, spinach, kale, and beetroot. Actually, that's really benign. That's basically like a wheatgrass shot, like a green shot that you would buy at the supermarket or something. So that's actually not that bad. Excellent. Actually, this is perfect for me right now because I am changing up my sort of nutrition protocol because I was on the SIBO diet for more than 6 months and then I pretty much stopped at Christmas and I've been introducing foods back in. I'm kind of thinking I might try to do the Huel shake, meal replacement shakes for lunch, like have a healthy breakfast and dinner. And this might help with that, just getting the extra things in there. Just with chronic illness, cooking without sugar and bread and dairy, it can get like a lot if you're not someone who just loves to cook all day long. So if you've tried meal replacement shakes that you've liked, I'm not interested in just like losing weight. I just want like a fast, easy, healthy thing that I can do just to try to manage my energy a little bit more. So if you've tried one and you recommend one, do let me know in the comments. Or if you don't recommend them and you think they're a load of malarkey, tell me that too. Okie dokie. So that is everything. Oh, that supplement is worth 30 pounds. So that means this box is just about coming to 90 pounds or 100 pounds. I'll do a little more correct math when I'm editing this video and I'll let you know. But that is a great box. I cannot wait to get in the bath. I'm gonna pour my kombucha over some ice. Tomorrow morning I have 2 different hot drinks to choose from, either hot chocolate or the spiced latte. I have my Squirrel Sisters bar to eat, so I'm looking forward to it. Thank you so much for joining me today for the Natural Wellness Box. I love it and I highly recommend it, and definitely check them out on Instagram. I'll link it below, and I hope you have a great day. I hope you know how loved you are. I'll see you guys later. Take care of each other.